Okay, so andito naman tayo para i-solve yung same circuit. Okay, ito pa rin yung circuit mula nung problem 1 and problem 2 natin. Pero, isa-solve natin to using another technique. We will use nodal analysis. And dito sa nodal analysis, okay, from the name itself, magfo-focus tayo sa node. And dito sa nodal analysis, okay, derived naman ito from KCL. Okay, kung yung mesh equations or mesh analysis, derived siya from KVL, itong nodal analysis, derived naman ito from KCL. And titingnan natin, medyo mas madali ito isolve dito sa circuit na to. Okay, sa nodal analysis, okay, magkakaroon tayo ng isang reference node, gagawin nating ground. Ayan. So, gagawin natin siyang ground. Okay, and magsasolve tayo sa nodes. And yung mga natitirang node, papangalanan natin sila, okay? Itong node na to, since nag-iisa lang siya, okay, tatawagin natin siyang node 1. Or, tawagin na lang natin siyang V1. Ay, sorry, ito paling V1. Sige, tawagin natin siyang V3. Alright, ganun lang kadali yun. V3. Okay, and from KCL, okay, di ba meron tayong tatlong currents dito na pumapasok at lumalabas sa node na to? Di ba? Tinawag natin siyang I1. Tinawag natin tong I2. And dito naman yung tinawag nating I3. And by KCL, no? By KCL, we know that current entering is equal to current leaving, or the summation of currents is equal to 0. By KCL, the summation of currents is equal to 0. And makuha natin dito, okay, positive I1, positive I2, minus I3 is equal to 0. But we know that yung I1, okay, yung voltage drop, yung current na dumadaloy kay I1 is defined as, di ba, I1 is equal to yung voltage drop kay R1 divided by R1. And dito sa nodal analysis, okay, magfo-focus tayo sa equation na to. Okay, since I1 is VR1, okay, yung voltage drop ni R1 divided by R1, and yung I2 naman is yung voltage drop ni R2 divided by R2. And of course, si I3 is yung voltage drop ni R3 divided by R3. And ito pa. Okay, and ito. From ground, okay, yung ground, ito ay given na 0 volts. Yan, okay? 0 volts itong ground. Now, hanapin natin kung ilang volts ba meron dito sa V3. Okay, from V1, we know that it is positive 12 volts. So, meron tayo ditong 12 volts. Okay, kasi from ground, 0. 0 plus 12 is 12. Okay, sa point na to, ang voltage natin dyan ay 12 volts. Okay, dito naman sa point na to, okay, 0 plus 5, ang voltage natin dyan ay 5 volts. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay, and ang voltage drop ni R1 is, okay, depende sa direction na to. Ang voltage drop ni R1 is ganito. Okay, ang voltage drop ni R1 is equal to, kung ano yung direction ng current, okay, yun yung mauna, 12 minus V3. Okay, ang voltage drop ni R1 is 12 minus V3. And since yan yung direction ng current, kaya nauna si 12. Okay? Kung ano yung direction ng current, yun na mauuna. So, 12 minus V3. And the voltage drop naman ni R2 is equal to, okay, since ito yung direction ng current, papunta sa kaliwa. So, therefore, voltage drop ni R2 is 5 minus V sub 3. Now, ano ba kasi itong V sub 3 na to? Mamaya isasolve natin yan. And the voltage drop naman ni R3, or the V R3 is equal to, okay, yung direction ng current natin is pababa. So, V sub 3 minus yung voltage dito, which is ground. Okay, so yung voltage dito sa area na to, sa point na to is 0 volts kasi connecta dyan direkta sa ground. So, V3 minus 0. And kung isa-substitute natin ito dito sa KCL natin ng equation, okay, I1, so mangyayari is magiging ganito yung equation natin. So, from I1 magiging VR1 over R1. So, VR1 over R1 plus yung I2, which is voltage drop ni R2 over R2 minus yung voltage, itong I3, which is voltage drop ni R3 divided by R3 equals 0. And we know that ang voltage drop ni R1 is 12 minus V3. So, isa-substitute natin yan, magiging 12 minus V3 over R1 plus, 12, itong voltage drop ni R1, sinubstitute lang natin, so 12 minus V3 over R1. And ang voltage drop naman ni R2, which is 5 minus V3. So, 5 minus V sub 3 divided by R2. Minus, yung voltage drop naman ni R3, which is V sub 3 minus 0 or V sub 3 na lang. O yung V3 minus, over R3 equals 0. Okay, so kung isa-substitute natin yung values ng resistors natin, so makuha natin 12 minus V3 divided by 1 kilo ohms plus 5 minus V3 divided by 2 kilo ohms minus V3 divided by R3 natin na 3 kilo ohms equals 0. Okay, iisa lang ang equation natin. Dahil dyan, meron tayong 1 equation, 1 unknown. Dahil dyan, mas mabilis ito. Para sa circuit na to, mabilis natin maisosolve itong circuit using nodal analysis. Okay, from KCL and KVL, di ba, sa Kirchhoff's laws, nagkaroon tayo ng 3 equations, 3 unknowns. Sa mesh analysis naman, nagkaroon tayo ng 2 equations, 2 unknowns. This time, 1 equation, 1 unknown lang to. Madali lang kasi. V sub 3 lang ang isosolve natin dito. Okay, we know that 12 minus V sub 3 over 1 kilo ohms, okay, pwede siyang paghiwalayan na magiging 12 over 1 kilo ohms minus V3 over 1 kilo ohms. Diba? Pwede siyang paghiwalayan kasi same denominator lang naman. Plus, okay, paghiwalayan din natin to. So, 5 over 2 kilo ohms minus V3 over 2 kilo ohms minus V sub 3 over 3 kilo ohms equals 0. Okay, itatranspose natin lahat ng V sub 3 sa kabila para maging positive. So, 12 over 1 kilo ohms. Okay, matitira dito is yung 12 over 1K plus yung 5 over 2K. Equals, okay, V sub 3 over 1K plus V sub 3 over 2K plus V sub 3 over 3K. Hindi pala kita. Ayan. So, transpose natin yung tatlong V sub 3 dito sa kabila para maging positive. Sunod, pwede natin i-factor out itong V sub 3. So, 12 over 1 kilo ohms plus 5 over 2 kilo ohms is equal to, factor out natin si V sub 3. That is 1 over 1k plus 1 over 2k plus 1 over 3k. And if di-divide natin both sides of the equation by mababang division, 1 over 1k plus 1 over 2k plus 1 over 3k. Okay, 1 over 1k plus 1 over 2k plus 1 over 3k. Okay. Okay. Mangyayari. Okay, ika-cancel natin to. Okay, para makuha natin si V3. And V sub 3 is equal to 12 over 1k plus 5 over 2 kilo ohms all over 1 over 1 kilo ohms plus 1 over 2 kilo ohms plus 1 over 3 kilo ohms. And V sub 3 is equal to 7.909 volts. Okay, so nakuha na natin si V sub 3. At dahil dyan, makuha na natin si voltage drop ni R1, voltage drop ni R2, and yung voltage drop ni R3. Okay, ang voltage drop ni R1 is equal to 12 minus yung V sub 3 natin na 7.909, and that is equal to 4.091 volts. Diba? Ganun lang kadali. And VR2 naman, yung voltage drop ni R2 is 5 minus 7.909. That is equal to negative 2.909. Okay, negative siya. Ibig sabihin, mali na naman yung direction nitong current natin. Okay, alam naman kasi natin na mali yan nung umpisa, pero pinilit pa rin natin. Okay, so ganun talaga yon. Sinasadya ko talaga maliin para ipakita sa inyo na kapag negative, ibig sabihin nun, mali yung direction. Okay, so mali nga naman kasi talaga itong direction na to. So kaya siya naging negative. And the voltage drop ni R3 is V3. That is equal to 7.909 volts. Now, okay, para may solve naman natin yung currents, I1, I2, and I3. Isa-substitute lang natin itong, okay, yung VR1, yung voltage drop ni R1 divided by R1, voltage drop ni R2 divided by R2, voltage drop ni R3 divided by R3. Okay, now, I1 is equal to voltage drop ni R1 divided by R1. And that is equal to 4.091 volts divided by 1 kilo ohms. And I1 is equal to 4.091 milliamperes. Sobrang dali lang. Okay, that is the value of our I1. Now, to solve for I2 naman, I2 is equal to the voltage drop of R2 divided by R2. And that is equal to voltage drop ni R2 na negative ba or positive? Positive na. So, 2.909 volts divided by 2 kilo ohms. That is 1.455 milliamperes. Okay, so here we go. At also take note na kinorek natin yung direction ng current. And finally, I3. Okay. I3 is equal to yung voltage drop ni R3 divided by R3. That is equal to 7.909 volts divided by R3 na 3 kilo ohms. And I3 is equal to 2.636 milliamperes. And dito makikita nyo, nakita natin na mas mabilis natin itong nasolve. In 15 minutes, nasolve natin lahat ng currents and voltages dito compared sa mesh analysis na umabot tayo ng 20 minutes compared naman sa Kirchhoff's laws na umabot tayo ng almost 1 hour. And with that, we're done. Okay, so tatlong network theorems ang ginamit natin this week. So next week, we will talk about the others. So, again, remember, okay, tandaan nyo mabuti. Okay, hindi laging madali itong nodal analysis. Depende pa rin talaga sa circuit. Okay, may mga circuits na mas madaling mag-Kirchhoff's laws. May mga circuits naman na mas madaling mag-mesh analysis. And may circuits naman kagaya nito na mas madali na nodal analysis. And depende yon. Okay, so by experience, malalaman nyo kung paano yon. Alright, so thank you.